Hello everyone!
Welcome back again to our channel. And for today's video, we are to
unbox a new phone by Vivo.
New phone released by Vivo for this year. We have the V21e.
Yes.
But before that, please do not forget to
Like,
share,
and subscribe.
and do not forget to click on the
Notification bell para ma-update kayo sa aming new videos.
yes sa mga upcoming videos. So, shall we?
Yes.
Okay.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The close.
Open, surprise! Hindi ko kuha. So for this guys, ang ganda. Ano man tawag nito?
It's diamond flare. Yung likod niya. May dalawang klase sila na design or style for V21. They have the diamond flare at yung isa yung color black.
Yes, tingnan mo.
But we actually prefer the diamond flare na design.
Ang ganda.
Yeah, super cute. Nakababae. Nakakababae. Yes.
Sparkling, shiny, shimmer,
For the
shimmy.
screen, how big is it, man?
Huge.
So that's 6.44 inch po ang laki niya. Okay, almost the same size sa V2020. And then for the RAM that's 8 gigabyte.
Yes.
Laki yung ano niya, storage. And then, RAM. And then the storage, it's 128 gigabyte. Super, super laki ng space or storage. How about the camera? Ilapit mo sa kanya yung camera. Yes, almost the same style din po ng V2020, V2020 Pro. Yung sa likod niya. That's for the front camera, that's 44 megapixels. And then sa likod, that's 64 megapixel main camera plus 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro. So super clear. Nakaka-artista.
What?
Yung beauty mo.
What the fuck?
The Vivo V21e is a mid-range smartphone that features a 6.44-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, 64 megapixel plus 8 plus 2 megapixel triple rear cameras, and a single 44 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus. It runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset with 8 GB of RAM, Android 11 OS, and FunTouch OS 11.1 software. There's also an under-display fingerprint scanner, 4G LTE connectivity, high-res audio, and 128 gigabyte of expandable storage. A 4,000 battery powers the device with support for 33 watts flash charge technology. It comes in 2 color options with pattern designs, diamond flare, and Roman black. The official price of the Vivo V21e in the Philippines is 17,999 pesos.
And
We're done with the specs and price, so now let's move on to
the giveaways.
the freebies.
Yes.
We have the
Yon ang inaabangan ng lahat.
gift box. I-unboxin natin ang gift box. Ano kayang laman ito? Ding-ding-ding. Ding-ding-ding. Gift box. Capture your life. Charan!
May tumbler.
Ganda. Oh.
May pouch. Ano
May
tawag ito? Pouch?
tumbler. Ang ganda ng tumbler kasi
Yung kulay niya, magkapareho lang.
almost.
May V. Vivo talaga.
Yeah, V for V21e for Vivo. And tsaka may garter siya. Just in case ma-fallen in love si ano. We also have this one. Favorite color, gray. Let's open. Ooh!
So, lalagyan
Not
talaga
just
siya
an
sa-
ordinary lang na ano. The pouch. Pwede nyo ilagay yung phone dito. Naka-garterize siya. Diba? Perfect. For protection. In case ma-fallen. Fallen into. Meron siyang lalagyan dito ng pwede nyo i-transfer dito if you want here. You have 2 phones. Yes, ang lalagyan ng mga resibo and all. Ano yan? Tinatago mo?
Hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Pero para sa akin, parang sa CR.
Para sa akin, para sa siya.
Kasi
Ay. May naka-V. Letter V.
Pagdidikit mo ito dito. Yan, tingnan mo. May mikit na ha. Tapos yung cellphone. Nawala mo yung cellphone. Ilagay mo dito. Oha.
Ay, really? Mapilit?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, tama.
Yes.
Ano pa?
Hindi na matanggal Hindi na matanggal. Ayan.
Yes, and may binigay pa sila sa amin na freebies. Another tumbler.
Again, tumbler. Ang dami na nating tumbler.
Yes.
Hindi pa pareho?
Hindi. Color green. And, mas nice siya kasi may nakalagay na garter sa body ng tumbler. Just in case ma-fallen into place. Diba? Meron din silang hindi ko alam to.
It's a fan. USB fan. Ito. Gumagana to kapag sinaksak sa
Power bank.
power bank. Gumaganyan.
Of course! Since maganda yung camera ng V21,
Yes.
meron pa freebie na
Selfie stick.
selfie stick.
Test natin kung gagana pa talaga. Smile. Ayun.
It works.
Yes.
Fine. Perfect. Meron pa! The extension wire. So, same freebies when we bought the V2020 Pro. Ganun pa ba? And lastly, hindi ko alam ano to.
Pandikit. Kagayas ko na dito. Ididikit mo dito, tapos...
Ay, okay. Perfect. Sige, itao daw. Ilagay mo daw.
No?
Yes.
Center.
Center na. Yes, it's perfect. You just need to push, pull, and then hold.
Yes.
Nice. Unlike before na ring ang style niya, ilagay pasok yung kamay nyo. Prito is just you need to push and then pull. Nice.
Very nice. So, let's test this. Susubukan natin kung maganda ba talaga ang kanyang video at saka yung pictures niya.
Okay, so for morning videos and photos, here you go.
And for the evening videos and photos, just watch.
Okay, so that's it po.
So that's it, yes.
Tapos na kaming mag-unbox sa V21e. So,
Kaya bumili kayo nito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda
Yes,
talaga.
ganda.
At hindi kayo mapapahiya kasi yung specs niya, ganda. Tsaka updated at hindi madaling maluma kasi bago.
yes. So, hope na-enjoy nyo po yung pag-unbox namin. So, bili na po kayo.
Yes.
Yes, so that's it. So, for more videos,
Don't forget to
like, share, and subscribe.
and don't forget to click on the
Notification bell to be.
notified on our next videos.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye-bye.
And see you soon our next vlogs.
Yes.
Bye-bye.